Welcome to the epitome of stylish and convenient living at the Wynchase Townhomes. Nestled in the heart of a secure gated subdivision, this dazzling two-story townhome is the epitome of modern elegance. Boasting a well-thought-out three-bedroom split floor plan on the second floor, you'll find privacy and comfort seamlessly intertwined in every corner of the 1,584 square feet of heated space. With 2.5 baths and a one-car garage, this townhome is designed to cater to your every need. Picture yourself enjoying the vibrant amenities included in your rent. Take a slam dunk at the basketball court, host unforgettable gatherings at the clubhouse, or indulge in a refreshing swim at the pool. Wynchase Townhomes also offers a fitness center for health enthusiasts, playground for the little ones, and tennis courts for a match with friends. And did we mention the high-speed fiber optics network for lightning-fast internet? No need to worry about yard maintenance, we've got that covered for you. This means more time for you to enjoy the delightful features of this gated community. Your furry friends might have to stay behind as we maintain a pet-free environment, but the peace and tranquility make up for it. The townhome comes fully equipped with a washer and dryer for your convenience, and with public water, sewage, and trash removal services, you can say goodbye to utility hassles. 2. Secure this slice of paradise. Prospective tenants are required to provide first, last, and security deposits, pending successful screening results. And for a sneak peek into your future home, either connect with our licensed Florida real estate agent for an exclusive in-person showing or indulge in a virtual tour from the comfort of your couch. Don't miss your chance to call Wynchase Townhomes home. Apply now for a taste of upscale, worry-free living.